On this episode of Going for Pro, we're going to clean the garage and prep the car for paint. What, Nash? Come here. And this is my dog, so stay tuned.
Everything changes.
So I'm going to be painting my car in the garage, but if you look at it, this is a further shot I can get about right here. If you look at my garage, it's just dirty, nasty, and you can't really paint in here. I mean, just for example, it's just too much dust. And to get a car actually ready for paint, well, you need to wipe it down, get all this dust out of the engine bay. I mean, it's just literally falling out of my fingers. You need to clear everything out, blow all the dust out, and well, just pick up all the trash that, you know, just for 8 months I've been working on this car constantly. So there's going to be trash everywhere, and there's just going to be random bits that I didn't clean or take the time to clean up. So we're going to work on that right now, and I'll come back to you all when I have a stopping point. So this is a couple days later. I didn't get a chance to clean the garage at all after that clip. Just work and a bunch of other stuff happened with family, friends, so I had to take care of some people, and it was a big mess. But now we're gonna try to knock this out and get everything prepped in one night in like 4 hours, because the next morning I have to spray the car or release the backside, because I'm trying to paint the car and get it finished in 4 days, which is a lot. So as in trying to get the over fenders on and prepped and bolted on, and you know, just everything ready for it to be done and for me to spray the next couple days. So this is going to be a big process to do in one night, and my neighbors are going to hate me for it. But first, let's get all this stuff down. I'm going to put you guys on a pretty decent time lapse, but it's going to be a transformation. So let's get to it. So the garage is now cleaned, or cleaner. I just need to start hanging all the plastic around the house so I don't get overspray on the walls. Don't want to do that. And then also I need to take off that door card over there and all the extras on it. Forgot to do that, so need to do that. And I need to start wiping this down also. So I'll probably wipe it down last and then wipe it down again right before I spray. So right now the main task is to get that door card off, wipe down that because I'm probably going to spray the trunk. So might as well get to it and get ready to start getting all this done. But first, let's get this door card removed right here. So I got the door card removed from that side, and well, this one's already removed. So now we're going to start hanging plastic along the walls and whatnot to cover up, well, to cover up all my stuff practically. I'm probably going to try to start blocking it off from like right here and then move down and cover everything up. I think I got enough plastic, I just hope I do. And then I'm probably going to tape a little bit around this so it doesn't go flying anywhere while I'm painting. This doesn't need to be, you know, taped down that much because I'm literally I'm just going to brush this with paint. So it's going to end up well, and I need to stop saying So let's get to it. So by that time lapse, you can tell I got everything covered up that I need to get covered up. The walls, most of the stuff that I'm going to be spraying is not going to get on the walls. The overspray might get a little bit, but not that much. Plus I'm going to have that fan right there, and then another fan which is going to be sucking out air or pulling air in, and that one's going to be pushing out right there. So it ain't going to be that bad. Plus this is an open space. So I got all the stuff that I need to cover up, especially that's worried me because pile of light and whatnot. So we're just going to ignore that because enough circulation, hopefully. So next we're going to start covering up the parts of the car that I need to, like for example the door handle right here, door handle on the other side. And good thing about removing the glass and the convertible is I just need to tuck it up, wipe it down, tuck all the plastic underneath, and then cover up where the actual, oh my goodness, if I could say, where the window would sit. So I need to cover that up in the interior and match it up right there. So I'm going to do that now. So hopefully you guys understand me. In other words, I need to cover up the interior that I have in there. It's just a little bit. Thank goodness I don't have the top on it. And then wrap up the engine bay also because, well, don't want to get paint on the lines and whatnot. So let's get to that. So I stopped the time lapse because I was having issues with it. So I got smart and grabbed a plastic bag that I had and did it on both sides. Also put trash bags over all the rotors, all the way around the car, as you can see right there. But now we're going to cover up all the door latches because I can still get to the inside because, well, no top. So let's cover up these latches on the outside, and then we'll start on the inside. So it took a little bit longer than what I thought. So everything's now taped up. So where the window's gonna go. Also where, you know, I'm gonna paint the outside right here. So this window's painted up. Gas cap, I'm gonna do inside the gas cap, you know. So the tops of the windows are covered up. What I said I was going to do for the door handles. And that's everything. Took a little bit longer just because I had trim around here. And I did the inside right there because I plan on spraying right along the edges right there to cover up the whiteness. I don't want the door jambs to be a different color either. Everything's coming out good. Now let's do the inside. So I just got done prepping everything for paint, wiping it all down with lac thinner, and then also, well, covering it up. That's what I'm going to do for right now. Those are old jugs. I'm just going to lay down there so it doesn't flap everywhere. I'm not that good at laying down the plastic, but that'll work. That'll do the job. And everything's wiped down. I got the air compressor almost ready. I got the paint somewhat mixed. I'm going to switch over camera, so it's not going to be as good as quality. I'm going to do my best, and I'm going to try to get some angles for you while recording on my old camera. So let's get it. Also, I'm going to be spraying the bottom of the trunk for a test pass, and then we're going to be going to the car. So now let's get it. So I just want to show you my gun setup real quick, or my air gun. So I got the water filter, the pressure regulator, and the spray gun. So hopefully this works, but now we're going to start spraying. So I tried my best to get the best clips with me just filming on my other camera. Hopefully it worked out. I don't know yet. I haven't edited it. Damn, I got some junk in there. From sweat from my gloves, but the car came out pretty good. I still need to touch up some areas with a smaller gun because that one gun's just too big. Junk, I guess I didn't, clear that out good enough in here. Some more junk, but it's already dry because it's so hot here. So once it came out of the gun, it was practically already drying, which it's like 70 degrees right now. So, but here's the look of it. I say it's pretty damn good for one night setup and spray. So there's let me back up a little bit more. There's a view from the rear, or from as far as back as I can go. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. So that's how it's looking. This didn't come out the best. Probably need to resand this or respray it one more time. I just don't feel like spraying anymore. The main purpose of spraying was for the over fenders to be put on, and while I had extra paint, might as well spray around. So this will probably get one more coat of, with the doors off, get another coat, and then I'll spray some of the doors also. But that's how it's looking right now. It ain't looking bad. Still need to get inside of there and spray. So, but it's better than nothing right now. I can't complain for what it was. So I just got done editing the video and I totally forgot to make an outro. So here's the outro. The car came out great for being painted in the garage. And stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna have a molded wide body on my Miata, which is gonna turn out awesome. So I appreciate you guys watching, and remember, never give up. Invincible.